Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add moderators to your TikTok live. It is super simple to do. So to do that, you're just going to go to the Go Live section and it's actually under here. So go to moderators and you'll see your moderators, and to add a moderator, I say moderator a lot. You're just going to select this button and you're just going to add people there by searching up their name. I'll add one real quick. And then I'll just press add, and then you can kind of like manage their access here. Select confirm, and you would have added your moderator. Voila, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.